Hi, my name is Yen and I'm from Real Touch company. Today I'm going to introduce you our showroom, which is located in Moscow. Our company since 2014 making this business. We are a multinational company which are selecting the high quality flowers, plants and trees. And today I will show you all of them. The first group is artificial flowers. It's the most complicated group because you need to combine a lot of items, a lot of colors and a lot of components. So the first thing which is different from other kind of artificial flowers is the material. It's really soft and very realistic in touch. The second thing is the details, which make really big difference from the whole range of rest of artificial flowers. The second group is artificial plants. Before 2017, all the artificial plants was produced out of ABC plastic. It was really hard material, which is not soft. And since 2017, Chinese factories start to produce artificial plants out of PVC material, which is really very soft and which can be used for decorations, for like shopping malls, for restaurants and all the other places you can ever imagine. We started to select them and right now we have a lot of them in our showroom. Artificial trees is the third product group of our company, and a lot of small details such as trunks, leaves and sticks, we create this feeling of what these trees are really almost real. These amazing, outstanding artificial flowers, plants and trees, they are all used for flower arrangements, for wedding decorations and for making the greenery for the interior design, such as restaurants and shopping malls. Thank you very much for your attention, for taking part in this journey in our showroom. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate and contact with us directly and we will show you everything we can. We will send you samples or we can make a Zoom or WhatsApp video call.